We always do a little video for you, so we'll put one together.
We can't see the face back.
Oh no, I was just worried about you getting my face.
Oh.
That was in an effort to be funny. It really didn't come off as funny as I thought it was going to. Just take a minute. Biggest concern we see through just development is their pelvis or the base of the neck. So that position they need to be in. Good stuff. And Georgia, I'm going to have you hold her kind of on her feet. She might sleep through this whole thing. You're doing such a good job. Yes, you are. Yeah, the typical lower part of the pelvis. The lower lumbar spine tends to subluxate. Just let her get comfy for a minute. Yeah, I know I'm ruining it. You were sleeping, huh? Dr. Joe wants to come along and get your nervous system healthier and make your body work better. Oh, that's perfect. You should have got. And then right at the base of the skull, right at the top of the neck. That's usually where they'll misalign.
Oh, okay.
And she did, and that was great. Oh my God, that was beautiful. Did you do a good job? Did I wake you? Did I wake you? Huh? That was your first adjustment. You did so good. You slept through the whole thing. That was great. Now, if you can be that good when you're 4 years old, it'll be wonderful. But I have a feeling it'll change. So, because you won't like me touching you, then no, you did so.